That is so awesome. So we've got some different kinds of aquaporals like staghorns, elk horns, velvet-fingered coral. Beautiful stuff. This is the future for coral restoration right here. Beautiful. Look at the polyps on that girl. Wow. Yeah.
Don't talk about me like that.
Oh, baby.
Calcium reactor.
Wow.
That's how they get their calcium phosphate.
Explain it to me, dear.
That's about all I know about it,
Yeah.
to be honest. Just a
So
little bit more.
that they produce their own calcium?
Yeah, they add calcium in the water, so
Okay.
they can get,
Wow.
get them to develop faster. It's like taking a multivitamin.
Yeah, yeah. That is neat.
Give them
Well,
all the right stuff.
You know, the coral's made out of a calcium carbonate, so
It's true.
you're going to need that, which is the same thing as limestone.
Yeah.
That's why climate change sucks, is because that's taking bicarbonates out, which is the same thing that's needed to make the calcium carbonates. And it's the finished product over here. Woo! Look at the 2 feet on that one. Woo! Wow. Pretty. I love corals. They've been around for 550 million years.
It's crazy.
Yeah, it is. And then crazier than that to me.